Hi, welcome back to Motech Performance. I'm Mike, behind the camera is Jay, and behind me is a car from our new partners in the Netherlands.
So we're now back in from the wash. It is now drying in the bay, and as you can see, we've got some tape on the car. These are just little highlights of the areas that need a lot of attention. So this car has been painted and it has been redone, so there are areas of sanding marks and swells and scratches. So to go through real quick, show you exactly what we're going to be dealing with. So you've seen the condition of this side, and it's pretty much the same story around the whole car. So I'm going to jump into machine polishing now, and we're going to see how good we can get this look.
So before we get into why the guys are over here from the Netherlands, take a look at their rear lights. They have the smoked bottom half and then the top half from the CSL M4 style, if you like, fitted to the G80. So these are now in stock that will fit G20, G21, G80 and G81. They look absolutely amazing, big fan of them. I'm hoping CSL lights come very soon. We've put one to the 4 Series. So the reason why these guys are across is Autosport Week. We've had a meeting with them. We've been talking to them for a number of months now. We actually met them up in Essen and in fact Autosport last year as well. But they've come on board as partners for us in Holland. What does that mean? It actually means MW wheels are available over there. We've actually probably done about 10 or 12 sets direct to customers, but now you can get the Motech experience from these guys. So I'll leave their information below. So while they're here, they brought across their 330E, which is currently sitting on the Cobra height adjustable suspension. So it sits really, really well and drives actually really well. This is a 330E as well, which is quite a big car for them over there because of the tax implications. Sometimes the M340Is and M cars are very expensive to run, but 330E is perfect, which actually is perfect for our wheels. So we've been showing them actually 3 new styles we're releasing in 24, MW5, MW Forged, and MW3X, which is obviously going to be an SUV wheel, and you'll see them coming in later vlogs. But while it was here, we took the opportunity to put some wheels on. So they've all agreed their favourite is the Porsche Gold. Guys in the UK have said silver polished face. I still prefer the black MW3s, but let us know what you think and what you would go for. Thanks a lot.
So we're now at the end of the detail on this Defender, and what a transformation it has undergone. When it came to us, as you can see from the befores, it was just in a really bad way. Again, it had been painted, but it hadn't been left in the way that we wanted it to be left in. So we took it upon ourselves to get it right down to where it needs to be. Full correction on this car has taken around 7 days, which is quite a long time for this sort of job, but it's what it deserved. And as you can see from the finishing results, it looks really, really good. We've got that real nice gloss. Again, the sanding marks that were in the paintwork have now gone. And we've also used Crystal Serum Ultra topped with EXO to give it that 9 years of warranted protection, which is fantastic for this sort of car. Again, it protects it against bird etching and water spots as well. And these are just some little bits and bobs that it does protect against too in the guarantee. We've also gone ahead and coated the wheels, and that is all 5 because this one has a space saver on the back. We've got the glass done, and we've also got the interior coated too. So last thing for us to do is get it outside, have a look at the car and let us know what you think.